Good morning, everyone. Hope you're all fine. In the previous lesson, we discussed electric circuits and components. We will start today with Chapter 11, which is electric measurements. There are several characteristics of electricity, including voltage and current, which are measured using a tool called multimeter. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to differentiate between voltage and electric current, indicate the direction of an electric current, identify the use of a voltmeter and ammeter, explain how a voltmeter and ammeter are connected, state the units of voltage and electric current, and finally describe how the glow of lamp varies with the electric current. For water to flow in the pipe, it needs a pressure to force it through. Similarly, for electricity, to flow in the wires, it needs a force. This force is called voltage. The actual movement of electricity in the wire is called electric current. As you remember, a dry cell has a positive and a negative pole. In a circuit, the electric current flows out from the positive pole to the negative pole of the dry cell, as you can see in the diagram. Application 1. Name the components of the electric circuit and then copy the diagram and show the direction of the electric current. Don't forget to pause the video, then check your answers. The components are dry cell, lamp, close switch, and wires. The electric current flows from the positive to the negative pole of the dry cell. Use arrows to show the direction of the current. To measure the value of the current and voltage, we can use a multimeter. You have probably seen a multimeter at home before. The multimeter can function as a voltmeter to measure the voltage, or as an ammeter to measure the current. A multimeter has two terminals called COM and positive terminals. For the multimeter to function properly, you should know how to connect it. The COM terminal of the multimeter is connected to the negative pole of the dry cell. We usually use a black wire to do so. However, the positive terminal is connected to the positive pole of the battery. We use a red wire to do so. As we said before, the multimeter can be used to measure the voltage, so it functions as a voltmeter. In this case, the voltmeter should be connected in parallel as shown in the document. We always connect the positive terminal to the positive pole and the COM terminal to the negative pole. The unit of voltage is volt. In this case, the voltage is 3 volt. On the other hand, the ammeter measures the current. The ammeter should be connected in series, which means that it should be placed beside the dry cell. But still, the COM terminal should be connected to the negative pole and the plus terminal to the positive pole. The unit of current is ampere. In this case, the current is 1.5 ampere. Another unit of current is milliampere. To convert from ampere to milliampere, we multiply by 1000. Scientists gave each tool a different symbol. The symbol of a voltmeter is V, and the symbol of an ammeter is A. Don't forget to show the COM and plus terminals. So if we want to draw an electric diagram that has a voltmeter or an ammeter, we should use the previous symbols. In the first diagram, we want to measure the current, so we should use an ammeter. The ammeter should be connected in series, where the COM is connected to the negative pole and the plus to the positive pole. In the second diagram, we want to connect a voltmeter to measure the voltage. So, the voltmeter is connected in parallel. Again, the COM is connected to the negative pole of the dry cell and the plus to the positive pole. In application 2, you are asked to copy the following diagram and connect an ammeter to measure the current and a voltmeter to measure the voltage across the lamp. The voltmeter should be connected in parallel to the lamp and the ammeter is connected in series with the lamp. Don't forget to show the COM and plus terminals. Observe the following lamps. How can you compare their brightness? Lamp 3 shines more brightly, while lamp 1 shines more dimly. The current across a lamp affects its brightness. As the current increases, the glow of the lamp increases. Please study the notes well, then open your books to page 94 and solve numbers 3 to 8. Hope to see you soon and stay safe.